Welcome to the DJI Neo tutorial video. This video will show you how to perform the first flight using palm control. Pre-flight preparations. Make sure the flying environment is open and unobstructed with sufficient light, and the flying surfaces have discernible patterns. Make sure intelligent flight battery, propellers, and propeller guards are mounted securely. Press down to remove the gimbal protector. Press the power button on the tail of DJI Neo to check the battery level, and make sure there is enough battery power. Press and then press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to power on DJI Neo. Palm takeoff. Place DJI Neo on the palm with its front facing to you. The default mode is follow after powering on DJI Neo for the first time. Press the mode button once to switch to follow, droney, circle, rocket, spotlight, and custom. This video takes follow mode as an example. Extend your arm, face the camera toward the subject, and keep it steady. Press and hold the mode button. DJI Neo will announce the selected mode and a countdown via voice, and then take off automatically. Flight. After taking off, DJI Neo flies following you while recording automatically. The default follow distance is 3 meters. When you move towards DJI Neo, it will hover in place and will not fly backward as you move. Perform actions with caution to avoid collisions. Palm landing. When you stop moving, DJI Neo will hover in place. Move toward DJI Neo, extend your arm, and place your hand under DJI Neo. Keep your hand still and extend your fingers. Wait for DJI Neo to land automatically. DJI Neo lands automatically when a critical low battery warning is triggered. Storage. Press and then press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to power off DJI Neo. Clear any foreign objects from the air intake on both sides of DJI Neo after flight to prevent blockage. Attach the gimbal protector. Mobile app control and parameter adjustment are also available for DJI Neo. Please watch the other videos for more information.